Okay, so I just got this fragrance must-have 7-piece sampler kit from Ulta. They have another type, but I wanted this one because it's the actual mini bottles. And I get really bored of perfume really easily, so I love little mini samples. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you. And this is what it looks like. Comes in package, it's got some paper, and then it's got the little boxes on the inside. So I'm going to open each one and show you what it looks like. So this is the Flower Bomb. So these are tiny, tiny little bottles, and this isn't even a spray. It's kind of like one of those like little drip, like you would have to kind of dab it like that. So that's the Flower Bomb. From Victor, I don't know the name. Anyways, so that's what that one looks like. Let's see, we have, this is the Viva La Juicy from Juicy Couture, and it's the little mini bottle. It's so cute, oh my gosh. Okay, I love it. And then this, I wanted this one for sure. It's the Black Opium, and it's a pretty little box, huh? And there it is. It's a tiny little Black Opium. Again, not a spray, but kind of like a little dabber. And then we have the Clinique Happy. This actually smells really good. It's my favorite of the Clinique, and it's just the same bottle, but in a tiny version. Boop. And what else? We have, this is Beautiful by Magnolia. And this, oh my God, I think it's one of the most underrated perfumes because this perfume smells amazing. And actually this one comes with a spray. I love this perfume. It's just the perfect everyday wear perfume. And then I have Clean. I'm not a huge fan of Clean, but some people are. To me, it smells a little too much like laundry soap. But it's cute, and this actually is a roller. It's a roller, like a little travel roll-on. And oh my God, this one's the cutest, guys. It is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. And look, it's the tiniest little shoe. Isn't that adorable? I love little mini bottles. Again, not a spray, but a dauber. And look, I have the big version of, I think this is Bad Girl and Good Girl. And you see the difference in size. How cute is that? So yeah, it's really little and tiny. The full-size bottle is this big. Okay, I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. I thought I got 7. Oh, it's Flower Bomb. I didn't take it out. So there you go. There you have it. This is the little sampler set. If you're looking for mini bottles, this one is the set to get. As the other one has 11 samples, but does not come with little mini bottles. If you know where I can get more little mini fragrance bottles, leave it down below in the comments. All right, have a great day. Bye.